This is our MeasureMate solution we have provided to one of our customer for inspecting the different 2D parameters, including the ODs and IDs, and with respect to some datums as well. So I will show you which parameter is getting inspected in this type of component. I have a cross-sectional view of this component. I will just load the component. So this is the cross-sectional view of this component. There are different parameters like this OD, this OD, this OD is getting inspected on this with respect to its runout with respect to datum. Datum is here, datum ID, and this one is datum B. With respect to this, and ID of this component like this ID is also getting inspected with respect to datum AB, ID runout as well. So there are three IDs. One is this, if you are able to see. Second is this, and third one is this. I will just start the cycle to show you how it is getting inspected. Having this single cycle, 3 ODs are getting inspected with respect to their runout, and 3 IDs is also getting inspected with respect to datum A and B. So now we are inspecting the 4 lengths of these components. First length is this, second length is from here to here, third length is from here to here, and fourth length is from here. I will just start the cycle. In this, one special thing is there is two-phase runout also with respect to datums, as we have seen. This phase runout and this phase runout is getting inspected on this station. I will just start the cycle for this. Now the component is okay on second station as well for 4 legs and 2 phase runout with respect to the datum. Now on third station we are going to inspect the DOB of this plane, diameter under ball, at 3 locations, and it is settable as per the requirement of the customer. Now if you are able to see, there are ball anvils here which will actuate when I will start the component after loading the component. So ball anvils will actuate to inspect the DOB. It will deactuate, it will change the location, motorized solution will change the location of the component, and it will again then actuate. Accordingly we will check the DOB of that component at multiple locations. It is checking DOB of spline at 3 locations as per the requirement of the customer, and we can set it at less location or more location as per the requirement. You can see the component is okay and all 3 stations right now, which is indicated by the buzzer. You can also see on the display as well. Now I will load the component for inspecting the ID on the next station. Here is the ID. I will show you in the cut section of this part. I will just load the component for this station ID. Before the spline, if you are able to see, there is a step here. We have to check the ID of this step. Now the ID of that component of station 4 is also okay, and it is shown by the green signal as you can see on the display. Now here on the next station, we are going to inspect the positions of this hose by go gauging, and I will show you how we are going to inspect that. So this is the go gauging of these hole positions. Now we will check the go gauging of this spline tip dia in this station. Now we will check the spline go gauging of this component.